episode of Cooking with Jay. Today I'm making protein bars from scratch that you do not need to bake at all. All you have to do is stick them in the fridge for a few hours and you're good to go. So right now I'm going to show you what the ingredients you need and how much of each one you need so you can create this yummy, delicious snack that you can take with you wherever you go. You're going to need your large baking pan that you're going to use for the fridge. You can use one, it's an 8x8, but you can use a bigger one if you need to, like a 9x9, but I'm using an 8x8 because it's what I got. You need a large mixing bowl, because you got to mix everything together, of course. Then you need a pot if you're going to use the stove, because we don't have a microwave, so we're using the stove. You're going to need 200 grams of protein powder. It can be any flavor you want, chocolate, vanilla, neutral, whatever you want. It can be key lime, whatever protein powder you got. You need 100 grams of almond butter. You need 20 grams of honey. It can be raw honey, it can be any honey, it doesn't matter. You need 100 grams of your oats. 150 mLs of coconut milk or milk. 100 grams of cranberries and raisins. So I put 50 grams of each in there. So the first thing you want to do is mix all your dry ingredients together in a large mixing bowl. Oh, you're going to mix in your oats. Mix in your protein powder. Now you're going to mix it up a little bit. Now your dried cranberries and your raisins. Now you want to melt your almond butter, your honey, and you want to mix the milk all in there. We'll mix the honey first, but you got to set your heat on so that you can use it. If you had a microwave for this, you can mix it all together and you would be able to put it on for a minute and it will just melt all of it together. So this is how it comes out, all liquidy, as you can see. Now you're going to mix your wet stuff and dry stuff together.
You got me fooling round and all your honesty. Don't think you got the concept right. Double moral bitterness is not my time, but still it kinda works on you. You got me.
Now if you don't find it doughy enough, as in it's not clumping properly, add in a little bit more milk. Just a little bit, or coconut milk or almond milk, whatever you're using. Just to make it a little more sticky.
Paper thin, doing concrete face, stabbing romance in the madness.
See, that's better. It's more clumpy now. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your mixture and you're going to make balls and you're going to put them inside the pan. They don't have to be very big balls. They can be as big as you want. Okay? Now that you got your dry and wet stuff all mixed together, you're gonna add it into this pan, the 8x8. But before you do that, you want parchment paper, because parchment paper is your friend. It's great to have. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna dump this all in there.
You got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already
Now you're gonna flatten it all out.
messed it up.
There we go. You got your bars. Now you're gonna throw them in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. Now it's been 2 hours since we have frozen this, well actually stuck it in the fridge. So now we're gonna test it out to see if it's hard enough that you can actually cut it, but it's not soft and doughy. Okay, so it looks hard enough that you can cut it now. And so here we go, we're gonna cut it. You're gonna cut it. Well, you want to make 3 rows, so like 1, 2, 3. So they come out in like little bars. But you know what? We're going to take it right out of with the parchment paper, because we can do that. We'll move it all over. And there we go. It's crumbling at places, but you know what? It's okay. It's not the end of the world. It happens.
I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. I think you're addicted to drama.
Comes out a little crumbly, but you can make pieces out of it. You can put them in bags and say these are the bags of them, so at least you have them. And the good thing about this is you get 20 grams of protein in each bar. I mean, that's amazing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you guys. So please subscribe below, click the little red subscribe button and the little bell so you get the notification every time I upload, which is at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So don't forget to watch it accordingly to that time. Also, hit the thumbs up, smash it, squash it, high five it, do whatever you have to hit it. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias, because you want to be part of the most awesome group ever, Cooking with Jay Simkowitz. Also, comment below if there's something you want me to do. I'll do it. Just put it in the comments below, because I can't know what you want me to do if you don't tell me, so please tell me. Also, remember, you guys are awesome, amazing, you're one of a kind, you're beautiful, and thank you for being part of Jay's crew. Well, actually, Jay's squad, my mistake. And for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkowitz. And the most important thing to remember is be happy.